All right, we've been running around like crazy people all morning trying to figure out a last-minute vacation plan for this weekend. It's a July 4th weekend. Per the usual, we procrastinate, and then decide, let's get the heck out of here for the weekend. I was on Airbnb, I was on Vrbo, I was on Craigslist looking for something in the area, somewhere in Maine, New Hampshire, somewhere where we could escape for the weekend. Every place was sold out. We did find one place in New Hampshire, Conway, New Hampshire. Just got off the phone with the booking agent. We're good, so we're gonna hustle out of here, get the kids in the car, hopefully get them down for their nap for the long 3.5 hour car drive. But I think, Amanda, correct me if I'm wrong, this will be the first official Garza family vacation.
Yeah, pretty much.
Other than like Great Wolf Lodge, which you've seen. This will be the first out-of-state Garza family vacation. So enough with the talking. Time to get packing and get the heck out of here.
Anthony, where are we going? We're going on a vacation. Are you excited? We're gonna leave. We're gonna get in the car. We're gonna drive to the mountains.
Yeah. I'm gonna drive all of them.
Are we gonna drive over all the mountains? Yeah, all of them. All the mountains in New Hampshire. We're driving. Are you ready?
Everybody will feel so funny.
Oh, careful, buddy.
What I do, what I do, da da do, da da do. What I do, what I do, da da do, da da do. What I do, what I do, da da do, da da do.
So maybe leaving at 1 o'clock the Friday before the 4th of July weekend wasn't the smartest idea. We were stuck in some pretty horrendous traffic. We've only covered like 30 or 40 miles out of the 160 that we need to travel. So we're heading up to Conway, New Hampshire, where I spent a lot of summers, a lot of vacations, a lot of camping trips up this way when I was a kid. So now that we have kids, we're gonna get to hit all the spots that I used to hit growing up. Not really sure exactly where we're gonna hit. We gotta do some planning tonight once the kids are in bed probably, but there's a lot of gorgeous like hiking spots, like little amusement theme parks. We're gonna maximize our time these next 2 days. What do you think, Amanda? Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
This traffic, on the other hand, is not exciting. Such is life.
Wow. It's super cool.
Couch back here, okay?
Have yummy ice cream.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want some chocolate?
What, the doggy house? All right. Well, everybody slept pretty good last night. Time to grab some breakfast and figure out what our adventures are for today.
We're going on an adventure.
Come along.
Adventure time. He's good. Hey man, I have something on my back. What is it?
It's a little Avery bug.
Who's back
A
there?
little bit.
Hey, you.
Avery bug.
We're at the Flume Gorge National Park in New Hampshire. Gonna see how far we can make it on this hike. I hear it's beautiful.
This says exit, but. All right. Oh, we're not camping. We're gonna go hiking. We're going hiking in the woods.
We going hiking?
Yeah.
Avery, look at that big old rock right there. Look at that. That's called a boulder.
A boulder rock.
It's called a boulder rock. That's right.
It's a big old
It's a big old boulder rock. Whoa, look at that down there. Oh, look down there, Avery. Look. Look at the water. Decided to let her out of the backpack. Let her walk on her own. It's gonna take like 3 times as long. Look over here.
So cool. Look there.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
You wanna go swimming in it?
No.
No? Okay.
Is it slippery? Is it cold and wet?
Let your hand touch it. Whoa!
Hey, look.
What does Daddy do, Avery? Daddy makes pizza dough?
Daddy made it.
Yeah.
What, and what? Avery drinks coffee?
No.
Avery doesn't drink coffee.
I drink milk and water.
And coffee.
No.
So what do you think, Mama? Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful out here. A little bit of a workout. Beautiful views. I wish I had brought the drone up, but there's no way.
Hey, Avery, what is that? What is it? Huh?
So we're in
What?
Conway looking for this for today. That is so hard.
Is that B-roll?
I know. How freaky.
In the middle of nowhere, New Hampshire, we're leaving the Flume, and we run into my good buddy B-Roy. Just in the middle of the state. What are the odds of that, Manna?
I know. Small world. Like out of everything we could be doing this weekend, you know? So funny.
You see some fishies down there? There's some fishies in that water. Can you see any?
One right there.
You see one? Where?
Right there.
You ready, Avery?
Did you have a good little
You
nap?
wanna go see the bears?
I used to come to Clark's Trading Post when I was a kid.
Apparently I did too, but I don't remember it.
Her memory's pretty bad. But I used to come here as a kid. I remember the bear shows. I remember the wolf man on the train. I remember all the cool gift shop. I bought my first slingshot here. I think I have a picture of me somewhere. So it's time to relive the memories with my kids now. Circle of life.
Oh, really?
Look, Mom, look at that.
13 years of age, full grown, current status, not married. Let's start the show properly. Head it over to the scale. Yep, they're watching you, kid. Even those people over there. I'll set them down gently.
Out of all the gifts we could have bought the kids at the gift shop, these things are what we bought. These torturous devices.
What's that doing?